So I want to pay now. I'll just click on this, then I'll click on billing. I'll come to add fund. Then I'll put the amount. Let's say I want to fund 2,000, for example. See this option. Option 1, debit or credit. Option 2, pay by USSD. Option 3, pay by bank transfer. Option 4, Naira payment by PayU. So this is the one we used to use. It's okay. I love using it. That is the one you use card. But now use this pay by transfer. Pay by transfer, then click on next. So they will now bring out an account number that we are going to transfer to. So this is the account number. They'll just ask you for your phone number. You put your phone number there. I'll put my phone number here. Then I'll click on continue. So they will now bring out an account number, Paga. So this is the account. I'll just copy it like this. Then I'll go to my OP or anywhere that I want to pay the money. I'll log into my OP. Then I'll just say I want to pay. I'll paste it in this account section. Okay, I need to copy it again. Then I'll paste it here. You see, I'll just search for the bank, Paga. This is it. Verifying account, Facebook ads. Continue. I'll put that amount, 2,000. You see the amount stated there, 2,000. Then I'll send. Pay. Try. Put my PIN. Money is successful. The payment has been sent. So I'll just come back here. Once they detect that payment automatically, see, it will reload and the payment is successful. Good. Funded. So I'll just go back to my ad manager here. When I come back, I'll see that the money is there. Can you see? The money has been funded and now my ads will start running. See? The ad will continue running. So it's as easy as that. You don't even need a card.